Imagine a world where extinct animals roam again. This is the dream of de-extinction. Scientists are exploring ways to bring back animals that have vanished from our planet. The idea is to use their DNA to recreate something close to the original species. Some people believe this could help restore balance to nature. Others hope to see magnificent creatures, like the woolly mammoth, walk the earth once more. However, de-extinction is a complex issue with many factors to consider. It raises ethical questions about our relationship with the natural world. There are also scientific challenges and concerns about the impact on existing ecosystems. One company, Colossal Biosciences, has made headlines with its dire wolf project. They aim to create animals with similar traits to the extinct dire wolves. To do this, they are genetically modifying gray wolves. By altering their DNA, they hope to give them characteristics of their extinct relatives. While this project is intriguing, it highlights the complexities of de-extinction. These dire wolves wouldn't be true replicas of the extinct species. They would be a hybrid, a new kind of animal altogether. This raises questions about the authenticity of de-extinction efforts. Proponents of de-extinction argue that it could offer several benefits. Some believe it could help restore damaged ecosystems. For example, bringing back woolly mammoths could potentially revitalize Arctic grasslands. Others see it as a way to right the wrongs humans have inflicted on the planet by driving species to extinction. However, there are significant concerns. De-extinction is incredibly expensive. These funds might be better spent on protecting existing endangered species. There are also ethical concerns about using animals, like elephants in the Mammoth Project, as surrogates for extinct ones. This raises questions about animal welfare and the potential for exploitation. Perhaps the most pressing concern is that de-extinction could divert attention from the urgent need to conserve existing species and their habitats. If we focus on bringing back the dead, we may neglect the living. It's crucial to remember that extinction is forever. While the idea of resurrecting lost species is captivating, it shouldn't overshadow the importance of protecting the incredible diversity of life that exists today. The future of de-extinction raises profound questions about our responsibility to the natural world. We must carefully consider the ethical, scientific, and ecological implications of our actions. Ultimately, the question is not just whether we can bring back extinct animals, but whether we should, and what impact our choices will have on the delicate balance of life on Earth.